Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Infiniti. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and a transmission. This Infiniti has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.